Hi all, today I'm going to review the new JBL Flip4. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker, and if I go down here you can see it supports Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth certified device and supports bunch of other good stuff along with that. And if I flip around here, it has other bunch of descriptions that go along with it. Now here you can see that it supports the JBL Connect app to go along with it, and it says that it supports up to 12 hours of playtime, and it has IPX7 waterproof support, again as I said JBL Connect support, and a speakerphone support. Now I'm going to do the basic unboxing. It's a brand new piece that I have here, and let me get started with it. It has a couple of stickers that go along with it, and yeah, it opens. There's a flip on one side. Now this is how it is, a cover on top of it, and here you go. We have unveiled the JBL Flip4. It's pretty easy to unbox. It's not that complex. It has a tag that you can hold on to. Then there is a power button here. Then we have the JBL Connect button, and you have the Bluetooth button here on one side. There is a volume rocker, and that's pretty much it. Now if I rotate, there's a JBL logo on one side, and let me see what's there on the top. I think there's a woofer on a couple of sides. Yeah, that's pretty much the physical characteristics. So it's a compact device, and the amount of sound it generates and the quality of sound, I'm expecting it to be really good. So I'm going to follow up this unboxing video with a good review of the JBL Flip4 device. So along with that, we also get a kit. I think it's a starter kit. It has a starter guide. If I open it, it's pretty hard. Okay, here we go. So again, some starter guides along with that, some precautionary measures. Yeah, I think we have a huge set of instructions. I think one can go over it once they get the device. Yeah, so that's what we have. Let's see. So the package containing a USB cable. I think this is a charging cable that goes inside the charging port on the side of the Flip4. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, you can pretty much use it to charge. Nice device. I'm happy. The quality is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy and pretty much portable. So if I try to turn it on, yeah, here it is. I think this allows you to pair your phone and get started with it. So yeah, it does come with some amount of battery charged. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for another review of this JBL Flip 4, where I'm going to review it thoroughly and give you more feedback on this. So thank you guys. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe it, because you're going to get much more improved and better detailed video on JBL Flip 4. Thank you.